Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can delete your drivers. So whatever driver you have currently installed, you want to delete it and you want to download a potentially older one or newer one, etc. I'm going to be showing us how you guys can do that in this video. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and just type in device manager in the search bar on the bottom. Once you do that, go ahead and open it up. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to look for display adapters. Once you find display adapters, go ahead and click it. And then if you have NVIDIA or AMD, it doesn't really matter. But basically, just go ahead and click on your graphics card or whatever, yeah, your graphics card, and right click on it. And you're going to click on properties. Now, from properties, what you're going to do is you're going to look for driver. And then from driver, you're going to scroll down, or you're going to just look down until you see uninstalled device. And once you uninstall it, your driver will be uninstalled. And then if you want to go ahead and install it, like install the latest one, I also have a video on that, so you guys can go ahead and watch that. But once you uninstall it, go ahead and hit OK. And this part is crucial. You have to make sure that you restart your PC or laptop. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.